Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. You guys already know what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna clean out and organize this nasty fridge. I've been meaning to clean our fridge and it's been a very long time since the last time I did a deep clean of our fridge. But it happens, you gotta prioritize what needs to be done first, and now I have time to finally clean out and organize this fridge. I also got some organization stuff from Daiso, so we're gonna be using that on this video today. I pray that this video will give you encouragement and motivation for the day, and I hope that this will give you some ideas on how you can also organize and clean out or deep clean your fridge. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video, and make sure to give this video a like if you guys enjoy it, and subscribe, join the family so you won't miss a video from me. So yeah, let's go. So first, if you guys been watching my videos, you guys already know that I like to clean every areas of my house section by section, and now I'm focusing on the side first. So if you are overwhelmed, make sure to focus on one area and finish that first before you can move on to the next one. And on the list, we're gonna be removing all the expired stuff. There's a bunch in here that expired 2 years ago. It's crazy. But hey, it's better late than never. When we find it's over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. And as we are cleaning my fridge, I want to share with you guys the struggle I went through and my husband this past week. And hopefully this will also give you an encouragement, and if you are in the same way or still going through it, I hope that this will give you encouragement and peace or joy. And know that we are not perfect and everyone struggles in many ways, and this is why we need Jesus always. I know I'm not the only one who is a Christian who struggles with mood problems or hormonal problems when it's the time of the month. And for me, sometimes I cannot control my emotions, and I'm easily tempered and get annoyed really fast. And every time this happens, I always tell myself that the enemy is attacking me or it's a spiritual battle. But in reality, every woman goes through it when it is the time of the month. Even it says in the Bible that women who are in their menstrual cycle are considered unclean for 7 days. And being unclean could mean a lot of things. Like for me, I consider it as I am not pure spiritually because of my mood changes. I believe that women go through it and struggle with this because of what Eve did. And the same concept when God punished Eve, and that all women will have pain during labor. It sucks, but it shows you how the world is fallen, and this is why Jesus was sent for us all. I was gonna say no candy yet. No candy yet. Okay, that's what I thought I heard. Okay. And last week, I really struggled hard with this and I really fell short. And I felt really horrible and bad. And the only thing that will help me get back in the light is, of course, praying and giving it to God and reading my Bible. But I'm not gonna lie, it took me a couple days to get back. And it's been a while since this happened, and I am still working on myself on how I react to situations because sometimes I react wrong because of my past traumas, like my childhood traumas, and they are pretty deep. But I am working on it with God, and He's sanctifying me, He's changing me little by little. Even my husband, we always pray for God's grace and for Him to fully change us inside and out. And I just want to share with you guys how good God is, because my husband and I won't be together if it wasn't for Him. He changed a lot of things in our life already, and that's why every time there's struggles or trials that we go through, we only get stronger, and we always talk about it and we change the things that needs to be changed. And we pray together during this time because it's the most important thing to ask for God's guidance during your trials and struggles. And this way we also show our kids how we can fall short, but we always need to ask for God's forgiveness and guidance, and that we can always come back together strong and forgive each other. So we're also showing our kids how to forgive and how we can get back up on our feet with God's help. And I just wanted to share this because there's not a lot of Christian women out there who speaks about the heightened emotions we get during our menstrual cycle. And this is why we need Jesus during this time, because He's the only one that can give us the strength to have self-control, to have patience and cool tempered. So if you struggle with this, just lean on Him and do not lose hope. God will change us. We just have to seek Him and long for that change and pray for that change, because it will come.
Driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags
Middle,
and
the
get
middle.
in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
I was trying really hard to be careful with this glass because I just saw someone on TikTok, when she cleaned her fridge, her glass broke in pieces. It's crazy. So I was so scared and really trying to do this slowly and steady.
Countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lesson.
Can I have lunch? Mom.
Baby, can you please Nana? You guys, don't you see mommy's doing something?
For us.
Later, please.
But how to take that off?
Also, I want to share the Bible verse that stuck to me during this time. It's this, Proverbs 8:17. I love them that love me, and those that seek me early shall find me. It just shows that God loves it when we come to Him for everything and anything. And He will show His love and faithfulness to us. So don't feel like you're too far gone. Just come to Him and you will find Him.
I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to.
Look at how nasty our fridge is. It felt so good after cleaning this out, you guys. After deep cleaning our fridge, it felt really nice.
It's over now. You finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Give you my all. Promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Waiting for answers.
And here's the after, you guys. This is how I'm organizing it, and this is empty for now, and the vegetables will be on the right side, the fruits, it's gonna be up here, and also the leftovers is gonna be on the top shelf. And yes, it is the next day, and now it's time to clean out the freezer section. This one is just so disorganized, and it's really dirty inside as well. You guys will see it here in a moment.
I've never been so close.
I was there. Love you, bye. See how dirty this freezer is? It's really disgusting, but I'm so happy we're cleaning it out. And I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far and it's giving you motivation to do something or encouragement for the day. And do not lose hope. Seek the Lord and His strength. Seek His face continually, like it says in 1 Chronicles 16:11. Let me know if you guys have any prayer requests. You can always message me on Instagram. It's more private there than in the comments, but you guys can comment anything down below if you guys need prayers. Okay, you guys, so while I'm still in my cleaning mode, let's clean this table up because it became a catch-all and a lot of these doesn't belong here, so let's go clean it up. First, let's start with this. This one is Keep.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy.
Now that the table is clean, you know that I like to use this table to do my Bible reading and prayers, and it's time to put back my Bibles in here. And this is what I use to put all of our Bibles. This is mine's and my husband's Bible, and this is the tote bag that I'm using. It's so cute and it's so big and it fits all of our Bible in here. I will link it up for you guys where I got this from. It's from Love and Faith, and yeah, I will give you guys a coupon in the description box if you guys want to check it out as well. But this is what I'm using this tote bag for. And this is how it looks like inside. These are mine and my husband, and we also got all of our pens. And yeah, we share this bag here, and I just put it on the corner And that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for future content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.